Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about pre-printed panels. Moda makes a variety of different pre-printed panels designed by a variety of their different designers, and I'm going to just kind of walk you through how you get the different types of panels and give you some ideas about how you can use them in different small projects and even some larger projects. So let's get started looking at Moda pre-printed panels. Okay, so as I mentioned in the introduction, I do get questions a lot about what to use these Moda pre-printed panels for. And the ones I'm going to share with you today all have words on them, but they don't necessarily all have words. Some of them are little quilt blocks that are, that look like a quilt block that's been pieced, but it's actually just printed on a panel, or there could be a floral design. There are all different kinds of panels, but I'm going to show you just a little bit of how I've been using them. So first up, this one is just a wall hanging that I did, and I really feel like the panels with the words, just the more simple the quilting, the better. So this is a simple crosshatch that doesn't really take away from the words. I actually have this hanging up in a bathroom, just a really cute little wall hanging. This same panel came in a larger size. You can see it right here. And this is just a really nice throw quilt. I just did a backing, a binding, simple quilting, and these make great gifts. I've given several of them as gifts because I don't have to spend forever piecing it. I can just take the panel and my batting and my backing to the quilter, throw the binding on it, and I've got a gift for relatively inexpensive and a lot less time than piecing an entire quilt. These two are both by Sweetwater, and they come in these bags. This one actually has 4 small panels all on one sheet that you can cut apart to make 4 projects. And so you can see this is the life. I actually cut it out of the panel and made this pillow. And so just a super easy throw pillow. Again, straight line quilting with the words just seems to not distract from it. I made a fun pillow back with some fabrics that I had in my stash. And there you go, a really fun and easy decor item or gift. I was just going to open up one of these packages just so you could see. I think this is the one that I cut the piece from. They're really soft and pliable. They are digitally printed, but they quilt up really nicely, and you can just mix them with your regular quilting cottons. And so you can just cut in between the different designs and use them for what you want to use them for. And this is where I cut that other panel from to use. Some of the Moda, this is a really cute one too. I feel like it will make a cute companion pillow to that one. I have a couple of these. Let me just show you. This was a Christmas one that came in a big panel. I've also got a bigger Christmas quilt panel that I did. I think I took a picture of it on my couch last year, and if I did, we'll pop it up into the video. So they're great for pillows, wall hangings, lap quilts. It's just really nice to be able to have these panels just ready to go. Now sometimes the Moda quilted panels don't come in a package like this. Generally the Sweetwater girls, gals, ladies, put theirs in these packages, but a lot of designers just add them to their fat quarter bundles. So that's the case with this songbook collection by Fancy That. Fancy That is the company of a new Moda designer. And so she has this beautiful songbook collection, but I've already taken it out of the bottom. But she had this panel, and so she has, well, actually I'm going to show, this came from the small panels. So it's folded up like a fat quarter, and it just has little tiny panels that you can use to make small projects. So, and she's got, there were 3 different fat quarters, yeah. So different colors, all different motivational kind of spiritual sayings. This one's all the navies. So by buying this fat quarter bundle, I've got all of these different little panels to work with. And then she also included in the fat quarter bundle this large panel. And let me turn it the right way. So it's got really big pre-printed pieces. I did see that a friend cut these up and used some of the fabrics in between and made a table runner with a bunch of the different sayings. But these would all make really fun pillows, a really fun wall hanging with the bigger pieces. There's just so many things you can do with these panels. Corey Yoder has a panel from one of her earlier collections that has little quilt block designs on it. And other ideas besides throw quilts, wall hangings, and pillows, you could also use them on little tote bags. That would be a super cute idea. And then also, like I mentioned, table runners are another good way. Just to kind of finish it up, people have also asked me, do they quilt okay? Do they shrink differently than the fabrics? And I have not had an issue. I have another one of these quilts made with a panel that I did wash, and it washed up just beautifully. It didn't shrink any differently than the 100% cotton quilting backing that I used. So the other one washed up like a normal quilt. I actually gave it as a gift to somebody for Christmas a couple years ago. But anyway, just wanted to do a little video so that you could have the information. Watch for these panels. Usually designers who have them in their bundles will talk about them and let you know. And sometimes you can even buy these panels as yardage separately from your quilt shop. So you could buy, for example, one panel off the bolt at your quilt shop and then have all the little things that you need for several projects. So just wanted to do a little kind of introductory video about these panels. I've really enjoyed working with them and hope you will too. I hope you enjoyed some of these fun ideas for using the Moda pre-printed panels. I really like having them on hand if I need a quick gift or if I just want to freshen up my own decor. I have actually a few of them that I've got quilted that are just in a closet waiting to be bound. And I'll decide later how to use them, whether to give them to somebody or use them in our own decor. But they're just really nice to have on hand, and I feel like they really do function and quilt up and wash up just like your regular quilting cottons. So just another tool that you can use to have a quick, fun finish, and also something that you can easily gift without spending a lot of time or money on the gift. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you'll share it with a friend, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks so much for stopping by.